Trimble Machine Control Systems transforms the way you run your worksite. It maximizes your efficiency, helps you gain a competitive edge, and will increase your bottom line.
Technology's come a long way from when I first started. We did them by hand. You had to be a good seasoned operator. Now that GPS technology's here, you do away with a lot of the surveying, and it will do away with a lot of the manpower, because you can do it with one machine and one operator versus taking 4 guys to pull string line, shoot and grade. They can take a file that's on the dozer and go across the whole job and let everybody know where the grade is.
And on the GPS screen, it tells you everything that needs to be done and how it's supposed to be done.
The way technology's come has helped us be more efficient, quicker. Deadlines are met quicker. Cost benefits that we have with it is, well, number one is manpower. So you're cutting down on the guys' hourly labor rates by doing this work, but also the wear and tear on the tractor. How long it takes to put it on grade is faster because we're not having to go back and go back and go back. And so the chance of somebody getting hurt is by far lower than 20 years ago when we were pulling strings watching out for each other.
SITECH South, your construction technology provider.